Hey guys, alright, so for today's video, got a sledgehammer set up, gonna shoot with a 12 gauge with the 1 ounce federal rifled slug, and we'll see what she does. Alright, so it looks like I missed the first one, or I barely grazed it, so I'm gonna try it again. Alright, let's see what the damage looks like. Alright guys, hope you can see it. There is a definite impact right there. I believe another one there, and another one there. So, looks like, since this is really hard steel, that big chunk of lead just didn't do nothing to it. Gotta try this against some other rounds later on.